linking arms with white sea sand, chewing sleep-deprived vitamins, curving scurvy's unwanted advances, scribbling on reverse pages, candle lanterns facing front, marching swans across the shallows, set sail across the moon, with whisker kitten oars, weightless dreams on robin wings, gorilla DJ station, spinning hits on the waves, shredding tsunami, getting shade beneath coconut umbrellas, sea foam beck and call, bright celestial, snow-lined ocean trawler, fishing Kraken's pond, bobbing bait below waterlines, rocking against the wake, skipping ledger pages, undocumented travelling log, ancient hermetic muscles strip bright paint from the bow, seashell's riverbed, embalmed by wet mud worms, dreams of Asgard, lotus blooms, ley lines implied standing stones, heavy frame, left their hungry heart at home. The journey, long and winding country lanes, hedgerow bowling barriers, reading map by candlelight, guiding you to canal's gentle drift. Foxton, built by family hands, one leg and one eye, cane proudly in hand, stood at Toplock's door, watching thick white duvets cuddling the footway, water turned to ice, no more heaving of the door. Sheep wander atop hollow rabbit cities, wool sweaters snaggling bushes, more useful for the waves, soaking salt air into breast pockets, people watching by the bay. Young people bound into each other, arms locking, innocent declarations before time sets the record needle straight. Yet you keep on gaily, unaware of rising tides. Run, little lady, run. Ear-splitting trees scream, wrestling contempt with death. Pursed lips, synthesized swollen bark eyes, aching to the brain. Leaf hair pulled back, flower patch pop-up books, sprouting pages in receding patches. Colourful explosion, springtime, LSD. Pollen merchants headed back north for Sherwood's summertime. Jackboot march. Storm rain nestled amongst the thistle, rose thorn branches caressing your back, twig snap fingernails digging into the dirt, writhing comfort in a temporary nest, hoping the embrace lasts longer than the rain, singular infidelity, uncomfortably secure, poison ivy wrapped, itching blanket sheltering the nakedness below. Your garden has started growing, and you never looked back. Surprise, Roadside Garden, near Descanso Bridge this spring, showering the pavement with miss you messages. Four-leaf clover tucked amongst them, bees dancing in between. Last gasp pollination, motorbike collide. Curb chipped, more permanent reminder, kaleidoscopic atom bomb, fading gravel kicked onto the verge. Wilting lilies and azaleas guide your soul to rest, marking the point of impact, or your final breath. Helping strawberry blooms, crystal snowdrops, dancing forget-me-nots, missing that gentle evening hue. When you set out for work that morning, planting flowers with your chest, now burn rubber forever, living without regret. Take to the sky, see the world, not from the point of view of a flightless bird. Staring at city market air, all the barkers honking, pluck your attention to make it theirs. Feathers strut, some more songful than others, keep their singing tuneful boons. Honks overpower them, their siren song deadly, drowned by the echoes. Tarpauling sails sing counterfeited calling underneath the faded blue. Refracted prisms, shining light, artificial flavours pumped out into the night. Dog chasing hot air balloons, propelled by plain joystick lurch, weightless steering wheel, bank to the left, thousands of feet above the runway, marshmallow grass, elephant pond, hidden beneath private hedgerows, blocked from the daywalkers, too afraid to go alone at night. All this precious grassland, cell-blocked just out of sight. All you need to go is steel wings. Picturesque. Luscious greens groping your frame, tan brown stains latching onto your legs and spine. Migrated from suburban lot, tucked under the canopy, left neon lights behind, trading car parks for filth. So caked in muck, hawking like a hog, squealer's delight. Passers-by nostrils gawking, upturned, admiring your stench. Beautiful majesty, so far from home. Stuck inside that thick mud, unheard, sinking further in, free from all predators, but not time or acid rain. Oxidizing your alloy ribcage, turning once pristine, tarnished. The flood one day claims you, carried by silver-lined, crisp packet parades, taken back to the earth. Time frame? We'll all be gone. Bushes, birds, mammals, man. Like we were never here, yet you will still remember. Long game of hide and seek, the death of rural's heart. Long, slow nature retreats, sunk back at the gum line, exposing shaky teeth. Dip-dyed by tobacco, tar-lined puffy cheeks, splatter-red porcelain, shaky hands finger-locked at night. Tight vice, your longest-serving friend. Smoke fall through night sky. Early start across county lines. New sight each month, roaming late night. Foxes, woodland abandoned, pining for her delight. Badgers during curbside battle lines, tearing to shreds for 3 square feet. Suburban theft has set in, dodging guard dog death and fence landmines. Underground communities tucked below that old rickety plank shed. Spiders, entrance guards, alerting Sergeant Fox. Survival plans. Bust in through the back door. Get out with what you can.